everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm here with you with week number 2 for my FP Handmade's 10-year anniversary celebration video scavenger hunt. So what you have to do is you have to answer the question correctly, email me the answer, and you have to submit the answer by January 12th at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then I'll post the winner on a video of the winner on January the 14th. So this is question number 2. All right. So in my craft room tour 2024 video, on my desk, there is a picture of me carrying what iconic item? In my craft room tour 2024 video, on my desk, there is a picture of me carrying what iconic item? The answer is due by January 12th, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The winner will be posted January 14th. All answers must be submitted to fphandmade@gmail.com. The comments below will be deleted or turned off, not deleted. And so you won't be able to send the answer there, but you have to email me by January 12th, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. All right, so I look forward to see how many answers, how many answer correctly this time. So good luck. Bye.